Guys, mainit. Ang update natin, guys. Ayan. Very nice weather. Very good. No, it looks good, guys. Our weather today. So, I think malinaw na talaga, guys, ang panahon. So, as you can see, guys, at my back, very nature. So, I love nature, guys. No, it feels good, refreshing. No? It feels very cool. Diba? While walking. No? Parang nasa ano ka talaga to refresh your feelings, emotions, your mind. No? At all, guys. If you want to have a peace, so you can come here, guys, to be relaxing at this place. Diba? Ay, naku, nahulog. Na full down pa yung ano natin, guys. Naku. Ang ating mahiwagang bag, guys. Nahulog man. Ewan ko. Why man got falling down. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a nice day and wonderful day. Kasi ako, guys, I'm walking, going out na naman ako, guys. Ang update, so walang init-init sa akin, guys. I need to walk. Oh my gosh. So, I put naman din already my sunblock before I go out. I applied already, guys, my cream. Charis. So, I think it's complete already. So, kahit mga ilang minutes lang, guys, hindi tayo mag-use ng payong. Actually, hawak ko lang ang payong ko, guys. So, ano man to? May nagsunod sa akin, guys. So, yun. Ayan. Tawag pa sa akin. Ay, kabuk. Namawis ako, guys. Kita mo lang, guys. Ang ano ko dito, guys. Pawis na tayo. So, at the same time is, guys, exercising. Diba? It feels good na makalakad din tayo, guys, no? In 1 week, even twice or thrice. No? Maglakad-lakad din tayo. Kasi alam niyo na, guys, ang edad natin is we're not getting young. So, we're getting old na already, guys. So, we need more exercise na, guys. Diba? Ang lifetime natin sa ganito is, you need, guys, at age of 40s, no, you need exercise, body, health diet, ganun. No, guys? Food diet. Parang, I smell something, dyan sa guys. So, I think yun lang ma-share natin. Mahaba na talaga tayo masyado, guys. Have a nice day, everyone. And keep safe. Thank you for watching. See you next again. Bye. God bless.